Hello my beautiful people. Today we're making okra soup using Zinma's palm oil, plantain flour, and also ground hot pepper. So let us begin. First off, I'm going to be using mackerels for this okra soup. So I'm going to use the Zinma's ground hot pepper to spice my mackerels. So I've cut the bag and I sprinkled a little bit of hot pepper on my mackerels to make it nice and spicy hot. I'm also going to add a few other seasonings into this mackerel and then cook it for a few minutes so that it doesn't break in the pot. And then I will grill it using my Ninja Foodie to grill these mackerels. Next up, my mackerel is ready. Look at that yummy looking mackerels boiling in that pot. So I'm going to put my blended okras in my pot and then I will stir it. I've already taken out the mackerels here. So this is just the stock from the mackerel. I'm also going to add in some chopped okras because I love having to bite on some chopped okras when I eat my okra soup. I'm also going to add some tatashe, some pepper mix in here. So this is just tatashe, the long peppers, and also scotch bonnet. I'm going to stir it, allow this to cook for a bit. I'm also going to add some crayfish in here, allow all of this to cook for a few minutes really. Then again, I'm going in with my Zinma's ground hot pepper because I love my soups to be hot and spicy. I've also added some seasonings and now I'm going in with my Zinma's palm oil. I love this palm oil because it is in a jar. Zinma's, thank you so much for thinking about this. I love that it's so easy to scoop out. I don't need to, stress about scooping out my palm oil, especially when you're in the UK. Now look at the draw of that okra. Hey, this soup is so delicious. My kitchen was just smelling so good, guys. The aroma from this food, plus the taste. Hey. Now I've added in my grilled mackerels. They were so yummy and firm. I love this soup. Hey, you see okra soup, leave it for me. I sabi cook okra soup. As in, this soup was so delicious, so rich, so tasty. Zinma's hot pepper and Zinma's palm oil took this soup to the next level. I'm also now going to include Zinma's plantain fufu or plantain flour into this mix, right? I'm going to stir this plantain flour in hot water, but I reduced the heat, okay? So I'm going to stir it in hot water to cook this plantain flour. And guys, this plantain flour was lovely. Very easy to make. There were no bumps. Everything was just nice and smooth, like correct ebo. And the color, it wasn't even giving a dodgy color. The color is the authentic plantain flour color. Okay, guys, so I'm stirring my plantain flour, making sure that every single powder or flour of that is mixed. I've also added in some hot water into the plantain flour to make sure that everything is nicely blended. It's all nice and smooth, easy to mix. I was just enjoying myself as I was mixing this thing. I was just remembering that woman that mixes amala for parties. There's one popular woman on Instagram. She's always like mixing amala for parties. I was now thinking about her. I said, I must beat this woman to mixing my own plantain fufu. By the time I was done, I let it sit for a few minutes so that it would cook. I closed the pot and allowed it to cook for a few minutes so that the plantain will cook very well. But if you see, I love this texture of I love it silky smooth and soft. By the time this thing cools down, it will be nice and firm. So this is how I make my plantain fufu with my okra soup. And now I am using Zinma's product range. Zinma's has taken my food to the next level. I'm so happy I use Zinma's range of delicious ingredients. The hot pepper, the palm oil and the plantain fufu.